Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I'm just jumping on really quickly and hopefully sending an encouraging message. I was driving earlier today and saw this man walking. He was walking down the road, which sounds normal, right? But no, he was actually walking down the road in the middle of the road. And so I had to slow down and go around him. And I was kind of wondering, like, why is this man walking down the road? Then I realized, weather's bad, sidewalks are not totally clear. So he created his own lane. And as I look back through my rearview mirror, all I could do was smile because I realized, okay, this man created his own lane. And I am at the stoplight and I'm looking back and I'm seeing all these cars slow down and carefully go around him. And so it really hit me in that moment. Don't be afraid to create your own lane. Sometimes life is not going to give you the path that you expected, and you have to step out and make your own path. And what I saw in that moment that clicked for me is that the universe and life will make room for you. Everyone, like I said, slowed down and carefully went around this man, and he went on about his business. Now, he wasn't walking the fastest, but he was in his own lane. So I know there's a lot of people out there wanting to sew, craft, embroider, start their own business. And so I just want to say, don't be afraid to create your own lane. You never know what amazing things can happen. So I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.